Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate in a coffee machine. First, rinse the carafe and measure cocoa, sugar, and milk into a heatproof container. Use Dutch process or cocoa blends for richer flavor, and opt for whole milk or a creamer for silkiness. Warm with the coffee maker's hot water or use the steam wand if available. Stir well and serve immediately with optional whipped cream. Measure ingredients carefully so results are consistent and repeatable. For a single serving, combine 2 tablespoons cocoa, 1-to-1 sweetener ratio, and 8 ounces milk in a heatproof pitcher. Whisk until smooth before warming to avoid clumps. If using flavored syrups, reduce sugar accordingly. Hold back garnishes and add when serving so hot chocolate stays silky. Taste and tweak quickly to match preference. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you enjoy your homemade hot chocolate with a glare-free screen and long battery life. I thought it was a fun companion for cozy drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a gentle heating method to prevent scalding and separation. Pour the mixed hot chocolate into the coffee carafe or a heatproof pitcher and use the coffee maker's hot water function to warm slowly. If your machine has a steam wand, froth briefly for a creamy top. Always stir between heating cycles to maintain smooth texture. Finish with a quick taste test and adjust sweetness or thickness as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.